Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna show how you can make money on YouTube without making any videos. For this, I can use some software to do there's some tricks out there. So we want to understand the entire process. Please watch entire video. I will show you the where I get information, how I make my videos, and everything. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share. We make money making videos, motivation, life changing stories, a whole lot of videos regarding to build successful life. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. So this method, basically, if you go to YouTube and type go gadgets, it will bring these videos. Okay, these video, basically, you would download video from Amazon or any other website and put together 10 videos and upload it on YouTube and put affiliate link. That is the basic idea. But there one thing, these type of videos, these type of channels have more competition. So you can see it from here, competition is very high, and the volume also is very, number of people, population of the video is high, and number of people, number of channels are over 1 million subscribers. So you can't compete with them if you are new to the channel. But what you can do, basically, you can do something different than these guys. For example, this video, 9 amazing gadgets of 2020, these keywords are more saturated. So if you use the keywords, your video not going to be ranked on the first page or on the top page of the YouTube, because those keywords are, these guys are using their keywords over and over again. So their video couldn't come in the first, not your video. But what you can do, go to Amazon and find the product you want to promote. So every day I went to Amazon homepage, because on the Amazon homepage they have own search ranking algorithm and everything. They put most famous product on the page. So I find out this ones, home security cameras are going trend on the Amazon. So what I did, I go to YouTube and searched on home. So for example, on YouTube and searched on Google Trend. I searched the topic about home security camera. So I can show you my result here. So this is the page, and I searched worldwide security camera. The search is about 60% really, and the search won't change anything. So throughout the year, worldwide, the people are searching for this type of product. So what I did again, I just went on Google and typed home security camera system. Just can I see what type of videos are happening? So these type of videos are trending now. This particular video on the first and number one, and if you put security camera in 2019 or security camera, you can get this video as a number one. Okay, so you can make a similar video to this one. So for example, what you do is you have to come to Amazon here and type home security cameras. It will bring the search result on Amazon. Then you need to filter the product according to the customer review, because that particular product is bought by more customers. So there are more chance to promote their product and people going to buy this. Because for example, this one has 1078 4 camera kit. So okay, 4 camera kit. If you promote this product, the percentage you can get from Amazon is high, and the commission also will going to be higher because it's over $1,000 for camera set. What you want to do? One thing you can do is you can download the videos on the listing and combine together, make a video, but you don't, because some of the music they're using have a copyright claim on it, so you can make money on YouTube. But some of the videos don't have any background voiceovers, just music. But I'm going to show you in a specific way that you can do voiceover for this product without recording your voice. My voice is terrible, so I'm not doing that. So what you have to do, you have to summarize this one. So this is a little bit long process, but if you do that properly, when you upload these videos, you're gonna exceed for entire 2020, 21 and 22. So you can make money throughout the year. So what you have to follow this step by step. So you have to do is copy and paste the title and this specific description. So I use a Grammarly to edit my sentence and everything. So for example, I picked 5 security cameras. So I put them in order like this is my initial sentence, then coming into the first place this one, and I put the title and the brief description. So when you copy and paste the description, to be careful, they written in the format for the customer to understand. So if you copy and paste to make voiceover, the sentence and the voice going to be difficult to understand. So you need to just modify the sentence the way that normally people speak. That's the only thing you have to do. When you complete that, you use this website called Content Samurai. I put the link in the bottom. It's 7-day free trial in this website. If you want to do monthly subscriptions, £27, no upsell or anything. Just you can edit your videos and you can do human voiceover with this website, and they will if you are editing simple videos, they will put their own images and video for you, so you don't have to do anything. But in this case, I have my script and I have my images. So I already download my images in the file, so it's already there, so I don't have to do anything. Just what you do, I'm gonna show you guys. So for example, you go to my picture, so if I can download, I already download all the images necessary for this video. So I go here, and already I selected. You have to select your template. Different video has different templates, so you have to select the template. If you come to the scene, if you come to the script section, second one, you need to put the script here. See, I'm making each video, each sentence, then I use my video editing software to combine together. I'm going to show you why you have to make each product for each video, for each product, one video per file. So if you are making top 10 product and 10 video, you use this method to make a 10 video, because I'm going to show you other way that you can build followers using that 10 video. So you need to put the script and click continue. That will take you to this page called scene, and I can show you guys just so I need to just shrink the page because my setting won't allow that. So if you click the scene section, it will open up this one, so that you have a subtitle easy to understand, and this the image they will put the free image, but in this case you are promoting a product, so you need to upload your own images. Then ended up with here section on the voiceover, click auto voice and put the human voice and start preview. So in this case you can't listen to the preview because my microphone was jacked in the headphone jack. So I will put this part on the editing section so you can understand. So if you press play, it will play the video, so I can pause it for 2 seconds so you can understand.
Coming into 5th place, Arlo Pro 3 Smart Home Security Cameras. Zoom in on objects.
So when you complete that and go to here and download the video, so you can go here, look to continue, it will download the videos. That's the thing you have to do. Then once you download the videos, go to YouTube and go to your video software, compile that video and upload it into YouTube. So this system, it will work, but it will take time. If you want to make money on YouTube by using this method, it will take a time to grow these channels, because you need to meet the monetization requirements like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour watch time. But if you meet that, this is the best way to make money on YouTube without showing your face, without recording any voice, without editing, making videos. So you need to download and compile like a compilation video, but it's a little bit more process. So this is one of my channel I'm doing here. You can see from this video uploaded 2 days ago, I have 15 views, and now you already put my affiliate link in the bottoms. Amazon affiliate link, any other affiliate link, and people can click and buy it from them. When they buy it from that link, you get that, you make money as a commission. and when your channel is approved for monetization, you make money on YouTube. Like I said before, why you have to make one video per each product. I mean, 10 top. If you are making top 10 videos, you have a top 10 smaller video, then you can combine for YouTube. But what you have to do, if you have that 10 video, publish them each on Instagram and Facebook, on Twitter, other social media platform, to build up the followers, because that is the only way, only best way, because you are targeting a group of audience or focus audience. In this case, if you are publishing these videos on Instagram, so you're building followers surrounding the gadgets and tech related followers, then you can convert those followers into YouTube subscribers. Then you can make money, because most of the people have a YouTube account, Instagram, Facebook, so they will subscribe to your channel. So that is the best way to go. While you're making this video, you can just upload this content to those social media, and you can build up followers. Spend 1 hour every single day. You can easily make these kind of videos. Publish one video per day on YouTube, so you keep up the consistent levels of YouTube recognize that you are publishing more video regarding the certain contents. Then they put your video on the front, one video get viral, and you can make money from it. But when you're making these videos, I highly recommend don't put top 10 gadget 2020, because lots of channels are making it. You can't get enough attention from that. But one thing you can do, instead of making top 10 gadget, you can focus on like this one, top 5 external hard drive. So in this video it surrounded uh, the one topic is external hard drive, not top 10 gadgets or anything, because those videos are not going to give a movie if you are starting new. So if you like my channel, guys, subscribe. If you like my videos, like and share. If you want to make more videos, any topic, please write me in the comment section. I'm sharing my own opinion and experience. I am doing it. That's why I'm making these videos. I don't make these videos because of the views or anything. So I'm sharing my own knowledge and experience. If you want to learn more, subscribe and like, and I'll see you in next video, guys. Thanks for watching.